Hi, this is Allie with Voyage Pro. Welcome to our Tempe Cycwall studio. We're so excited to have you here. To enter, please use the yellow door at the back of the building labeled Studio Entrance. Feel free to keep your cars parked back here, or you can unload in the back and bring your cars around to the front parking lot. Please do not use the blue door at any point, as there could be another rental in our other studios up front. The studio door will unlock automatically 5 minutes before your rental start time. You will not need a door code, and you can enter once your rental time begins. Once inside, you have now entered the Cycwall studio and your rental time can start. The lighting controls are located on the right side of the Cycwall. The black door next to the lighting control leads to the restrooms. Once you go through the black door, the restrooms will be on the right-hand side. The iPad on the wall controls all 5 of the RGB tube lights around the perimeter of the Cycwall, as well as the 2 overhead key lights. All 7 of these mounted lights are RGB color changing. You can change the intensity, the saturation, hue, and the color directly on the app. If you're looking to turn your colored backdrop back to the natural white, just snap the white balance back to 5000. The lighting control app will have groups for different selections of lights, such as all lights, front lights, right side, and left side. To control the groups of lights, press the plus button on the left side of the group. To the left of the entrance, you'll find a power strip that controls the back hair light. You can turn on and off this power strip to control the hair light. There are 3 mobile lights on C-stands within the room, ready for use. To turn them on, there is an on and off switch on the back side of each. To adjust the intensity, just twist the dial on the back left. The middle of the 3 lights is a circular spotlight. To adjust the intensity, please use the dial on the left side. If you'd like to connect to our Wi-Fi, the network name is Voyage Pro Guest. The password is lowercase VP111111. Again, that's lowercase VP and 6 ones. If you'd like to listen to music during your rental, there is a Bluetooth speaker in the room. Please follow the instructions printed out on the side of the speaker. You're welcome to adjust the AC as needed. Please use the thermostat located in the room to the left of the lighting control. There is plenty of seating space, along with a clothing rack and mirrors if you brought multiple wardrobe options. When your rental concludes, don't worry about turning off any of the lights. Just feel free to gather your belongings and head out the door you entered, and we'll remotely lock it once you leave. We hope you enjoyed your rental, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a message, and we hope to see you again soon.